Highway Code, Rules for Pedestrians, Rule number 3. Help other road users to see you. As a pedestrian, you can melt into the background. Wear or carry something light coloured, bright or fluorescent in poor daylight conditions. When it's dark, use reflective materials, example, armbands, sashes, waistcoats, jackets, footwear, which can be seen by drivers using headlights up to 3 times as far away as non-reflective materials. And there is a photograph at the bottom to highlight the difference. So how many times have you gone out in a car or as a passenger and seen pedestrians wearing all black or all dark blue at night, and they can be very easily missed. Now the pedestrians think that drivers obviously have radar and night vision, and that they are fully visible to drivers, so they'll scare the hell out of you by running across in front of you. So again, as a driver, on a driving test, it would mainly be murky conditions, lots of cloud, rain, etc. Watch out for pedestrians because they will not be wearing reflective or fluorescent wear normally. And again, you have to make up for their ignorance and the danger they put themselves in, and slow down and be prepared to stop, or give them plenty of room when you go around them. Workmen will normally be made to wear fluorescent jackets. These are the ones, the orange ones that glow in the daytime, or they probably have fluorescent at night. These reflect back the lights of your car, so they show up, which is quite well shown up on the photograph at the bottom.